Hello guys, just spontaneous video from Kyiv with some sad news from the capital. So now is midnight, and Friday night around 9 p.m. it was air raid siren. I was editing and posting my previous video today, and it was again drone attack that I was expecting and speaking that we have each night, each evening, the drone attack from Russia. And today one drone hit the residential buildings in Solovinsky district, and I was checked the news for last 2 hours, and I see that 100 people have been evacuated, and our main road that the apartments are damages from 17th till 21st floor. And the news that came up 10 minutes ago that the 15 years old girl born, like he wrote, they exactly born in 2009, was died. So up until now there's one dead and 5 injured. And right now is a curfew in Kyiv. Everyone is at home. In Ukraine is curfew. Everyone is at home till 5 a.m. And I have a question: how how you can go and peacefully sleep, and while other people are evacuated, and someone lost their daughter just like last hours, and it will be more drone attacks and so on. So it's like realities that we live today. And yeah, so today from Russian drone attack in capital, 1 person died, 5 person injured. What's happened? Guess what? You can hear this. It's air raid siren. So now I open the window a little bit. You can hear. So this is the question what I have: how you can go to bed after such a news? Air raid siren, it's like working as a alarm each time around 12 and all night long. And after death in the capital, now someone kids was just she was just at home, and this happened. So I wish everyone good night. I wish everyone will safe now, and hope for the best. Thank you so much for your support and your interest in my channel, and see you very soon. Bye.